Good morning, children. Let us do extra sums from Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry. First question, what is the distance of the point 2, 3 from the x-axis? First part. Second part from y-axis. So let's see here in the graph over here. You have a graph over here. Then the point is 2, 3. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So the question is distance of the point 2, 3 from x-axis. So this point distance from the x-axis will be 3 units, right? That means it is the y coordinate. Y coordinate equals to 3 units. Second part. What is the distance of the point 2, 3 from y-axis? From y-axis, the distance is, you can see here, that is 2 units, right? That means it is the x coordinate. So, x coordinate, that is 2 units. Second sum, find the perimeter of a triangle ABC with the vertices 0, 4 and 0, 0 and 3, 0 respectively. Perimeter means sum of all these three sides. So we will find these three sides using distance formula, right? So first let us take side AB. So by distance formula, distance is equal to x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. So now AB will be, so distance AB equals to x2 minus x1, 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 4 the whole square. That means this is going to become 0 minus 4 square is going to become 16. Root 16, it's equal to 4 units. Next, let's go find out now distance BC. BC equals to root of 3 minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square. So this I get it as, here it is 0. So 3 square is 9 equals to 3 units. So we got BC also. Let us find out now CA. So for CA equals to, again distance formula, 3 minus 0, any number we can pick up from here. Okay, 0 minus 3 or 3 minus 0. So 0 minus 3 the whole square minus 4 minus 0 the whole square. So this makes up 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. That is root of 25. That means CA is equal to 5 units. So AB, BC, CA we got it, and now we have to add these three, right, to get the perimeter. So therefore perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. AB is 4 plus 3 plus 5. That means 12 units. Have a look at it. question, find the point which lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points A and B. So A -2 -5 and coordinates of B are 2 and 5, and we have to find a point which is lying on the perpendicular bisector of AB. So let PXY be the point, right? So let PXY be the point lying on the perpendicular bisector of AB. It implies that this distance of PA and PB will be equal to each other. PA will be equal to PB, which implies that P is the midpoint of AB, right? So we can apply midpoint formula. So by midpoint formula, PXY will be equal to P. X is what? X1 plus X2 divided 2 and Y1 plus Y2 divided 2. So these are the coordinates. You have to use this formula, right? So here are we. Therefore, PXY is equal to X1 will be -2 plus 2 divided 2. Y1 is -5 plus 5 divided 2, and it's going to become 0 divided 2. So it will be 0. Again 0 divided 2 will be 0. So 0, 0 is the answer. PXY is equal to 0, 0, right? The point is P is the origin, right? Fourth sum, the center of a circle is 2A, A minus 7. Find the value of A if the circle passes through the point 11 minus 9. Let that point be A and the center of the circle be 0, right? So, and the diameter of the circle is 10 root 2 units. So, diameter is 10 root 2 units, implies the radius will be half of it. So, radius OA equals half of 10 root 2, that is 5 to 5, isn't it? 10, 5 root 2 units. Okay, and we have to find out the value of A. So we will use distance formula and then we'll be able to find out the value of A. So by distance formula, distance OA is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, and OA distance is 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 is equal to x2 is 11 minus 2a the whole square plus y2 minus 9 minus for the formula a minus 7, and it will be the whole square, right? We squaring both sides, we will get, this will become 5 square is 25, root 2 square will be 2, 25 2s are 50, right? So 50 is equal to 11 minus 2a square plus, here we get it as minus 9 and minus a plus 7 the whole square. 50 is equal to 11. Here a minus b whole square formula we can apply. 121 plus 4a square minus 2ab, isn't it? So 2 to the 4 into 11, 44a plus. Now here, so minus 7 and minus 9 and 7 will be minus 2. So minus a minus 2 the whole square. This is equivalent to a plus b whole square formula. Okay, so 50 is equal to 121 plus 4a square minus 44a plus a square plus 4 plus 4a. So a square, 4a is here. So now we will bring 50 this side, or 121 minus 50 will be 4 is also there, 125. So 50 minus 125 is equal to 5a square minus 40a, or 5a square minus 40a. This is going to give us minus 75, shifted this side, plus 75 is equal to 0. Divided by 5, a square minus 8a plus 15 is equal to 0. Make the factors. A square, 15 is there, so we can split up as minus 5a minus 3a. Minus 5a minus 3a plus 15 is equal to 0. A common, a minus 5 minus 3 common, a minus 5 is equal to 0, implies that factors are a minus 5 and a minus 3, right, is equal to 0, which implies the value of a, either it is a minus 5 is equal to 0 or a minus 3 is equal to 0, which implies a is equal to 5 or a is equal to 3, right? Any a is equal to 5 or a is equal to 3. It can be two values also. Sum number 5. If a 5, 2, b 2, minus 2, c 2, minus b are the vertices of a right triangle. Okay, these are the vertices of a right triangle with angle b is equal to 90 degree, and find the value of b. We have to find the value of b. We will apply Pythagoras theorem in a right triangle. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, implies that AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. We will apply now distance formula in this, right? Here also, and here also. So distance formula, you know it, put it as 1. Distance formula or distance is equal to, you can write distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the square, right? So AC square, let us find out now first. So AC square will be equal to, AC is x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2 the whole square plus 2 minus for the formula and minus for minus b square. So 5 minus 2 is 3 square is 9 plus 2 plus b square. 2 plus b square means a plus b whole square, right? So 9 plus a square is 4 plus b square plus 4b, or ac square is equal to b square plus 4b plus 13 is the ac square with the root sign, right? And or ac will be ac square is equal to, it is AC children, distance AC. Okay, so AC square will be, now we will remove the root, b square plus 4b plus 13. So first we kept it, right? Now AB square we will find out. AB square will be, AB will be root of 5 minus 2 the whole square plus 2, or minus 2 plus, okay, 2 minus for the formula and minus for this coordinate, minus 2 the whole square. Again 3 square is 9, and this is 2 plus 2, 4 square is 16. This makes up 25. And so, or AB is 5 units. 5 units we got it. AB also we got it. Put it as 2. Okay. Now we find out BC, distance BC. You must not be able to see it. Okay. Now we find out distance BC. So BC will be 2 minus 2 the whole square plus minus 2 minus for the formula and minus b the whole square. Okay. So this makes up 0, and this 2 minus 2 plus b, that means b plus 2, b minus 2 the whole square, right? It's a square. Done. So you can bring means factors of b minus 2 are 2 times. So if square root sign goes away, then it becomes b minus 2. Okay. So this is also, we got it. Now we are going to, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 4. Putting value of AB, AC, AB and BC in 1. We put this value. So this AC square we got it as B square plus 4B plus 13 is equal to AB square means 5 square and BC square means you get it as B minus 2 the whole square, right? So we are going ready to solve it. B square plus 4B plus 13 is equal to 25. Again, B square minus 4B plus 4. So B square and B square cancelled. Minus 4, B comes this side, it becomes 8B equals to 25 and 4 is 29 minus 13. 9 minus 3 is 6, 16, 8B, or B is 16 divided 8, that is 2. So value of B is, find the value of B, B is 2. Children, you have to write here Pythagoras theorem also here as a reasoning. And this is 1 and 2, 3, 4. I have not used it here. So I have just erased it. Okay. 2, 3 and 4. Directly we are saying putting the value of AB, BC and CA in equation 1. Right. So B is equal to 2. That is the answer. Thank you. The vertices of a triangle, sum number 6, are 3, minus 5, 10, minus 10, minus 7, 4. If its centroid is k minus 1, find the value of k. Centroid. What is a centroid? It is the meeting point of all the medians. The medians are the line drawn from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this distance is equal. This line is the second median, so this distance is equal. This line is the third median, so this distance is equal. So meeting point, all the medians are meeting at a point. This point P, we call it as the centroid. So we have to find the value of this centroid. So we have a formula to find the value of P for the centroid formula. So let's start with that, right? So we have, let A 3, 5 minus 5 be 10, minus k and C minus 7, 4 be the vertices of triangle ABC and P k, minus 1 be its centroid. Okay, so centroid of triangle, that is PXY, will be equal to P x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and for y coordinate it will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided 3, right? So we are ready to solve it. The value of x coordinate is k, implies that k equals x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided 3. So k equals, what is x1? x1 is x1, x2, x3. 3, 10 and minus 7. 3, 10, minus 7 divided 3. So 13 minus 7 is minus 6, right? So k is minus 6 by 3, that is 2, we got it, right? Now we have to find out, only k we had to find out, isn't it? Let us confirm it, or we can even use the formula for y. Suppose y we are using, then y equals, what is the coordinate y? Minus 1. Minus 1 equals, y1 is minus 5 minus k and 4. Minus 5 minus k plus 4 divided 3. So this will be minus 3 and this will be minus 1 minus k. So it will be minus 2 equal minus k, or k is equal to 2. Any of these formulas can be used, right? So only one will be sufficient. So only I am taking only this. Leave this part, right? So have a look at it. Sum number 6.